Speaker, there is serious concern about the partiality towards selected government advocates on the panel of the High Court during the distribution of cases. Speaker, sir, total cases are 3,591, government advocate are 24, 5 lawyers तातून 1,958 म्हळ्यार almost 2,000 cases 5 lawyeraंमध्ये distribute झाल्या. AG has become an advisor to the government, is an advisor, has become the government itself. And also their attitude जालो. जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता एक मंत्र्यान स्टेटमेंट करपाची गरज आहा आनी स्टॅटिस्टिक्स दिवपाची गरज आहा. खंयचे advocatanक केसी अलॉट केल्या, कितल्यो जिखल्या, कितले हारल्या. आनी म्हाका दिसता लॉ मिनिस्टरान हाजेर एक स्टेटमेंट करचो, कित्याक असलो एटिट्यूड जर दवरलो इट कॅन कॉम्प्रोमायज द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट एंड इट्स पीपल.
Shri Alex Lawrence.
Poida, if there is disparity in this, I will look into it, Speaker, sir.